Hello friends, welcome to my channel Power of AEM. In this session, we will talk about experience fragment. So this is the first video related to the overview of experience fragment. As we know, experience fragment is also known as XF. XF is a short form of the experience fragment. Experience fragment is considering as a content page in the JCR repository. So whenever anyone is creating experience fragment, it means they are creating a content page. Also, when we look at the CRX repository, it placed under the content hierarchy. So we will see quickly how you can find. So we can quickly find out where you can see the experience fragment in the content hierarchy. This is the JCR repository, and as we discussed, it is a part of content and will be treated as content page. So under the content folder, you can see experience fragments. And when you click on the experience fragment, you can find all the experience fragments. And when you open up any of the experience fragment, it will be treated as CQ content, page content. However, it is a experience fragment. So any experience fragment that you are creating will be treated as content page and will be available under slash content slash experience fragment hierarchy. Move to the next point where we are talking about, as this is a content page, it means multiple components could be aligned on the experience fragment. So it could be one or more than one. When we are creating any any component, or when we are placing any component on the experience fragment, it means we also take the reference either the experience fragment or any external component that we want to use in the experience fragment. In the another case, when we want to show experience fragment across all the pages of website, in that case, we can add experience fragment on the editable template. During adding the editable template, for example, if you want to add a new experience fragment on editable template, you can place the experience fragment based on the editable design or layout. Simplest examples could be like header and footer of your content page. Might be you have some different sections where you want to show experience fragment. That is also possible to show. And all these things are achievable through editable templates in case you want to show experience fragment across the site. Experience fragment is containing some data, and that data could be generated based on some different business need or business request. So we can create different variation of similar experience fragment. By default, master variation is creating. However, you can create different variation a part of the master. And when you are serving the data, experience fragment data to any system or within your AEM site pages, you can take a decision which variation you want to show. When we are exposing experience fragment content to any external system, that is in our hand how we want to expose the content, with design or without design. If we are talking about with design, it means we are thinking for HTML. And if we are talking about without design, it means we can share the similar content as a JSON. This is an example where you can use the experience fragment. Experience fragment could be used on multiple different places. As we discussed, you might have some site where you want to use a common piece of content. For that, you can use experience fragment, or based on your different locales within a site, you want to show different content. That is also possible. Reusing is a great thing in the site. So once you are doing any changes on the experience fragment, all the pages will be having the same reflection. So this is one of the powerful use of experience fragment. The another case could be where AEM is treating as delivery platform. and supplying data to external systems. In that case, we can supply the content or whatever experience fragment data we are having to the external system. The third case could be where we can share different variation based on the request. For example, you are having a single content page, but different personas are accessing the content. And based on those personas, we want to show different experiences. In that case, also, you can leverage experience fragment because we can create variations in the experience fragment. The next one is the omni-channel commerce. So in case you are having any commerce related site or any content which are helpful for the commerce site, you can use experience fragment to deliver the right experience to your customer. Let's also understand in a quick way how different channels or platforms are available that can use or consume the experience fragment data. As experience fragment is a single source of content for us, which could be used by AEM site pages, we can also push a experience fragment to the target system. Adobe Target is known as to show the personalized content to the external user. So we can share the experience fragment as an offer to the target system. Experience fragment could also be leveraged by different experience fragment or the same experience within the same hierarchy. You can have different experience fragment as a master or as a child. So you can reutilize your experience fragment with other experience fragments. Experience fragment could be exposed with and without design. So you can share that content with external system in form of HTML or JSON. So this is how you can leverage experience fragment. I hope this video will be helpful to understand basics of experience fragment and where we can use that. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel for more learning videos. Thank you.